And it's a lot of conversations. It's conversations with every single one of the equipment suppliers. So when I think about the layout of my farm, I have islands of automation. And every time I have islands of automation, I have data that I can't get out exactly the way I need it. I can't monitor and control the system the way that I want to. I need to have a conversation with that equipment supplier. I need to have a conversation with their innovation and their roadmap. And that's what we're doing. We are going one by one and talking to people and seeing if we can figure out how to have our roadmaps collide so that we can figure out how to make vertical farming successful. How is it that we can improve the number of farms that I can build? I can improve my OPEX, I can improve my CAPEX through my operation, which means that I can then have more positive farms, I can have more profitable farms so that I can build more farms. And then how do we show that equipment supplier that if they're open and they have an open platform and they have standard language that they're using, that everyone else in our industry will be able to pick up and run with and integrate with, that improves their total addressable market as well. The stronger vertical farming is, the stronger our industry is, the more collaborative we are today, the more we have opportunity to be successful in the future. Sometimes, Mike and I, my business partner, we have intense discussions about how open we should be, how closed we should be. Should we be looking for this ecosystem and figuring out how to build it together? And I have to say that every time I have an opportunity to talk to an equipment provider or another grower who's doing a vertical farm somewhere else, and we talk about how we can figure out how to advance the industry, I continue to be reassured that this is the right thing to do. We need to be open. We have a very challenging time ahead of us in vertical farming. Everyone isn't going to continue throwing money at us, and we can't build expensive farms and only have lettuce for the rich. If we want to solve our problems and this is not a solve, if we want to help solve food production around the world, we need to standardize what we're doing, and we need to be able to scale quickly. And the only way we can do that is together, collaboratively.